Hello and welcome to Dinesh Sharma 10x. In today's tutorial, we're quickly going to learn about two new features introduced by Microsoft Excel called checkbox and focus cell. So let us jump into the practice data file. Here I have a sample file where the order summaries of a particular store is given, and here at the end I have a column for the feedback, and the feedback, if the feedback is received, it is said true. If the feedback is not received, it is said false. So instead of writing like this, I can have a checkbox. So I will copy this heading. I want to create the same column here with the checkbox, so I will copy this heading to the right. For that you can press Ctrl R and the heading will be exactly copied to the cell on the right. And here I want the checkbox, so simply go to insert, and in the insert you will find a control section and there will be a checkbox. You can simply click on the checkbox and it will introduce the checkbox in your cell. If you do not find this checkbox in your Microsoft Excel, then do not worry, it will be introduced in some time, because right now this is only rolled out for the beta users, and if you are not on the beta channel, it will still take some more time for you to get this new feature. But nonetheless, get updated about the upcoming features so that you are on the top of your things. And now if you want to copy this on all the cells at the bottom, then you can simply double click on this fill handle. Just double click and it will be copied in all the cell till bottom. To go to the bottom or up, I use control up arrow and control down arrow. It will take you to the bottommost. Okay, now if you see the status of this cell where the checkbox is there in the formula bar, it is simply a binary value. If the checkbox is not checked, it is said false. If I check it, the status changes to true. And now you can check wherever the feedback is received, you can check it, and wherever it is not received, you can leave it blank. And the best part of it is you can also use this information in the checkboxes in your formulas. You want to only get the profit of the orders where the feedback was received, and you want to use a if formula, you can use it like this: equals to if, and then if your feedback is equals to true, then it should give you the profit, or else it should give you 0, bracket close and enter. And now you can see, because the feedback was received here, the value from the profit column is entered here, and if it is blank, then it is saying 0. So this is how you can also use the output of the checkboxes in your formulas. So that is also the best part of it. Now always remember that if your users of this file, that means all the people who are going to use this file, do not have this checkbox feature yet in their Excel, then they will not see this checkbox. Instead of that, they will see a true or false written in these columns. So always remember, if your users do not have this feature yet, then avoid using it until it is rolled out for everyone, and if it is there, then we are fine. So this was the checkbox feature. And the second thing what we wanted to talk is a focus cell feature. Here in the view tab, you will find the focus cell feature, and if you activate this, then Excel will highlight the current column and the current row. And if you want to learn in detail about the focus cell feature, I have created a video. I'll give you the link at the top, you can access with that. And with that, thank you so much. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button if you want to learn about new features of Microsoft Excel. Thank you and have a nice day.